Hey everyone, thanks for popping by. Before we get started, I'm going to be showing you a few clips. I want you to pay close attention and try to figure out what they all have in common. Okay, you ready for this? Here we go. Well, any idea so far? If not, here are a few more examples. What do you think? Did you figure it out? You have to have a solid foundation on the most important rudiment. Without being able to play this rudiment, it will be very, very difficult to be able to play all of those clips that you've seen. If you want to know what that rudiment is, stick around. I'll be right back for the big reveal. Four, three, two, one. Doubles. I cannot stress how important it is to be able to play doubles properly. Let's take a deep dive into each clip and I will demonstrate for you exactly where the doubles are. Here we go. In this clip, it's the left hand where the doubles are being utilized. So just take a look over here. If you notice, I'm playing a drag, and that is a double with the left hand. And I'm also doubling up on the backbeat. Right after the backbeat, there's an extra left, and you need to be able to play a double in order to execute that. So you need to have your doubles somewhere around here. If you can play your doubles like that, you should be able to pull this off. Now you're probably wondering, where the heck is a double when you're playing a shuffle? Now pay close attention to the right hand. I'm not playing a double per se, but with the right hand, in order for me to pull off a shuffle effect, I have to be able to have good solid doubles. For example, if I can play this, isolate the right hand, pay attention, then I can do this. That's a shuffle. By having good doubles will help you execute a shuffle with the right hand. Or if you're playing a two-handed shuffle, same thing. You need to be able to have strong doubles in order to play a two-handed shuffle. Now in this Latin groove over here, once again, my right hand will be playing a double here and there. Same thing with my left. Check it out. Did you see those isolated doubles with the right hand? Ba, 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 ba. That is a double. Right? So you need to be able to have strong doubles to pull this off. And also with my left hand, I'm playing a double on the tom-tom. Right there. And of course the jazz samba. See those doubles in those spots? Once again, you need to have strong doubles in order to execute this groove the way it's supposed to sound at those tempos. This fill over here, the two-handed fill, because both hands are playing the same thing, check it out. If you notice, I'm playing doubles with my right and my left. I'm playing them simultaneously. You have to be able to play it at that rate. So if you can play doubles at this rate, then you can play this fill at this rate. You have to have strong doubles to pull this off. If you notice, it's all in the right hand. That's where I'm playing a lot of doubles. Swing. Where the heck are doubles in the swing? Well, very similar with shuffle. You need to have a good, strong double in order to execute a swing properly. For example, notice where the double it is? Ba, 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 ba. There's your double. Ba, ba, double, da, double, da, double, ba. So you need to have your doubles roughly around here. In order to play swing at this tempo. I also did a swing type fill, which requires having strong doubles. Check it out. If you notice there, my left hand is playing the double. So my right hand's playing a single, my right hand's playing a double. Right, left, left. There you have it. Another example of how strong doubles will allow you to execute playing swing time and executing some of those swing type fills. In this example, in the fill, once again, it is a right, left, left combination or a left, right, right played at 16th notes. Again, to be able to play them at a quicker tempo, you must have a strong double. In that case, it was right, left, left, but you can do left, right, right. There's an example of how strong doubles are going to help you play this way. Very recently, I learned this Vinnie lick that he does in a studio recording session with an orchestra. And again, you need to have strong doubles in order to execute this fill. There's doubles all over the place. In that case, the left hand. And then there's a section where it goes right, left, left, right, right. Now, there you go. If you want to learn stuff on YouTube, there's so many great YouTube channels, great drummers, great clinicians, great teachers. They have tons of great content. And a lot of the stuff, I have to tell you, is, it's quite advanced. And you need to have the facilities in order to be able to play the stuff that they're releasing on video. This is an example. When you have strong doubles, it will allow you to play many, many, many things. You now are aware how important the doubles are and what they allow you to do. There's so many things that the doubles allow you to do in the drums. And if you don't spend time on the doubles, you're just going to be limited, and it'll always be frustrating learning stuff. So what's next? You need to reassess where your doubles are and determine whether they need improvement or not. If you have determined that they need to improve, what I would suggest you do is to watch episode 2 and episode 3 of this particular mini-series of the most important rudiment. Episode 2, it will show you the one exercise that I did that helped me build my doubles. And to go further with this, in episode 3, I go into the power workout that I did when I was 16 years old that really took my doubles at the level they are today. In fact, I spent 6 months on my doubles, on this power workout from episode 3. I spent 6 months on that, and it has paid huge dividends for me for the rest of my life. I mean, I can go without practicing for like 2 months, and I'll still be able to sit down and play a double pretty good just because of those 6 months I spent when I was 16 years old. That's episode 3. And on episode 4, the last episode of this mini-series, we get into what I call the 10 commandments of the single and double combinations. Which combinations are the ones that are the most common and most utilized that will really help your drumming? And I call it the 10 commandments of the single double combos. Now, episode 2 will be released a week from today's release. Episode 3 will be also released a week after that, and then episode 4 a week after that. So it's basically the entire month. I'll have these 4 videos available for you. If you happen to be watching this video way beyond the release date, chances are the entire mini-series will be available to you right at the end of this video. Click like if you like this video, share it with as many people as you like, and if you haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button, notification bell, and you'll always receive a notification when I release my next video. Well, folks, that's all for today. Stay safe, stay well, practice, and most of all, have fun. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.